Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a little makeup beauty unboxing. So I purchased some things recently. I got a couple of really awesome like PR packages. So I wanted to show you a few things that I purchased and a few things that I've received. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I am going to keep this a little bit on the smaller side. That way I can tell you a little bit more about each product without the video going super long. I feel like maybe this will be a good way to go. Usually my hauls, like, they pile up and then I eventually get to it and then it's gigantic and it takes forever. So let me know if you're liking these shorter haul videos. So the first thing I have is from an online retailer called Stylevana. So if you're not familiar, they offer a lot of like fashion and beauty products from different Asian countries, and you can probably guess what I'm most excited for is K-beauty. You guys know I went to that little store in New York and I've said this so many times, they had so much like K-beauty, J-beauty, just different things from different countries that you wouldn't get your hands on normally. I loved it so much, and I don't know, I always love the cuteness of it. There's just always been like a special place in my heart for K-beauty, and gosh, it was before it was like super popular too. I would like scrounge the internet to see what I could find, and yeah, I'm excited to see what they sent me. I do want to say really quickly thank you to Stylevana for partnering with me on today's video. I truly appreciate it. You guys know I'll give you my honest opinions, but I think it's going to be really good. I do also have a code for you guys, so it is Amy20. I'll put it on the screen, but it will be linked down below as well. So if you want to go check out any of their products that they have, you can use that as a discount code and save a little bit of money on your purchase. So yeah, let's dive right in. So I have a few things in here. They sent me first this raspberry infused honey mild sheet mask. Ooh, and this is from Goodall. Let's see. So this is a Korean brand, not a brand that I've heard of before, made in Korea. So this one has strawberry fruit extract obtained by fresh lock processing, greatly improves skin's firming radiance. So funny. The translations sometimes are, you know, not 100% perfect, but we're getting it. And it has pure honey, environmental friendly, pure bamboo, and adheres comfortably to the skin. So I'm excited to this. This should be an interesting like fiber because it's made from bamboo, and honey's really good. It also has antibacterial properties. So I think this one's going to be a hit. I have another one. This one's from Pure Derm, and this is the Blueberry Collagen Mask. That's what it looks like. Cute little packaging there. This is another Korean brand. It says the collagen mask is easy and effective, purifying and vitalizing treatment blended with blueberry extract, collagen, and vitamin E. Blueberry with antioxidant properties helps purify and vitalize your skin, leaving it soft and moisturized. Okay. Ooh, and it's a natural pulp cloth. Retains more moisture than synthetics and helping pores to fully absorb. Okay. I'm really excited to try that one too. If you don't know, like, I have a huge collection of sheet masks. I love them, and it's usually the ones that I find they're K-beauty and J-beauty that are a little bit better in my opinion. I don't know, for whatever reason, they just like nail it with the sheet mask. Next we have a lovely cookie blusher. I actually have a few of these. I don't remember the colors that I have. Oh, this is strawberry. Okay, so this is a new one to me. I have some, but man, they are pretty darn old. So this is definitely a different one. And these have the cutest packaging, but it looks like a little like cookie or macaroon or something so adorable. It does have a puff. Now the puff actually works pretty well for blush, surprisingly. So adorable, like the little touch is just perfect. And then this is what the blush looks like. It's like a good little pink flush to the cheeks. So that's what it looks like. Not as scary of a pink when you just swatch it out. It's just gonna give that light flush to the skin, which is really nice. And I like these because for whatever reason, they make your blush look like it's coming from within. So like your skin is naturally flushing because they're just the right opacity, I guess. Something about them that I always thought makes it look a little bit more realistic. It doesn't just look like, you know, a bunch of color sitting right there on your cheek. So I tend to really love these. I'm excited to have another one, and I probably should get rid of some of my older ones, to be honest, and maybe I can grab a couple more of these from Stylevana's website. I have some of these too. So this is from Tony Moly, and this is the Petite Bunny Gloss Bar. That's what it looks like in the packaging. Let's take it out. Several years ago, I was on this like trip of where I wanted like all this K-beauty stuff. I wanted a bunch of Tony Moly, and I actually like searched the internet, scoured to find like a set of these, and I got every single color. But they are so adorable. Little bunnies. It's just so cute. So they are like just a little glossy balm. Some of them are more pigmented than others, but most of them just have like this, a little glossy flush of color to the lips, and I think they're so cute. They're very, very comfortable on the lips. So if you want that look where you just have a little bit of color but you want your lips to be conditioned, these are really, really good. Definitely check it out if you want to see these little bunny gloss bars. I think they're so cute. And we have one more thing. This is also by Tony Moly. That's exciting. This is the Delight Circle Lens Mascara. I wish I hadn't put on mascara. I would totally try this on. I kind of like these bristles. So this is like a regular bristle, but it's a little kind of skinnier taper brush. I don't tend to love like rubbery mascaras with the rubbery wands, but these I tend to like, and I've never tried a Tony Moly mascara, so I'm definitely excited to do so. I'll have to try this really soon, and of course made in Korea, just like everything else I've gotten. So thank you again to Stylevana for sending me those goodies. Definitely go check out their website if you're interested in ordering some K-beauty. I know that I will definitely have to check it out and maybe using my own code because it's a really good deal and they already have such affordable, cool products. So I highly, highly recommend that. And let's get into the next. So you know I'm a skincare junkie. I found this set on Sephora and it was on sale and I was like, oh my god, I have to have it. Kind of weird how they sent it to me though. So it was a new Mia Smart Clarisonic set that had a Genifique eye cream from Lancome and the eye massager from Clarisonic. Except they sent them all separate. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to come. I thought it came in a box, but at any rate, I got the new Mia Smart. It is charging right now. It's charging, I think, what did it say, 18 hours before you can use it. So it's charging over there right now. I'm really excited to have the Smart. So the set was on sale for $1.99. It's a crazy value though, because this eye cream is over $60. I believe this is over $50, and then you get the Mia Smart. Like, it was such a good deal. And of course, I'm very fortunate to get a discount because I work at Sephora. So that was great as well. So I got the Mia Smart. One thing I'm really intrigued about is the Sonic Awakening Eye Massager. This was one of the things that really pulled me in. Lately, I'm getting into using more devices for like anti-aging and things like that. I don't know. I'm just intrigued to see if it makes a difference. But this is the eye massager and what it looks like. It's so interesting. These little things right here will actually like massage around the eye area. It's super cooling. Like, even fresh out of the box and directly on makeup, it's like so cold. I think it's going to be great to relieve puffiness and maybe help your eye cream and stuff sink in. So I'm really excited to try this guy out on my new Clarisonic really soon. This is what it's going to look like. Oh, that's interesting. I don't want to go too crazy because I just did my makeup, but I cannot wait to try this out, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated. And then it also came with the Genifique Eye from Lancome. This is the Youth Activating Eye Cream. This is a pretty nice item to get, like, basically for free with your Clarisonic. It is a ½ ounce, so it's full size, and that's what it looks like. And I want to activate all the youth I can right now, so hopefully it helps stop the aging process a little bit. So if you guys want to see like an updated skincare routine using my new Clarisonic, let me know and I can do that for you. Alright, I picked up a few things at Ulta recently. This is kind of a little like hodgepodge, but I did pick up the Venus Vivid from Lime Crime. I'm also really interested in that new one they launched that's all gray, but it actually glows in the dark. So this is what this one looks like. You would think this one would glow in the dark, but really beautiful bright colors. I have used this already, but I am going to be doing a video showing a lot of new bright palettes, especially smaller ones that aren't gigantic and don't cost a fortune. So be on the lookout for that. I also got for free, I got a big tote bag, but I also got the Lime Crime Velveteen in Cashmere. So I don't know if I'm going to hold on to this. I really like the the plushies from them. I'm not like the biggest fan of this formula, but that's what it looks like in Cashmere. I have had some of these before and they just weren't something that I reached for that often. A lot of people love them though. So I think I'm going to set this aside for my next giveaway. I picked up a couple things from Maybelline. So I got the Dream Urban Cover Foundation. I was really excited to test this one out, but I keep seeing really like different opinions on this. Like, some people are like, oh my god, it's amazing, and some people absolutely hate it. So I guess I'm just gonna have to try it for myself and find out. I also got the Lasting Fix from Maybelline, which is a setting spray. Definitely excited to try this out. Sometimes they just really hit it out of the park, so I'm always like waiting for that next one that's like, yes, this is amazing. I got from Revlon the Instant Cheek Maker. I'll definitely have to like try these out in a video soon, like another affordable video, but this is really cool. It's a blush and highlight duo. This is what it looks like. You can twist this up and down. So it is your highlight and blush. It's really interesting looking. I don't know how that's gonna do, like, because usually even when I have foundation on, I don't want to do something that's going to drag the foundation because it usually will move. But I was intrigued enough to purchase it and find out. So we'll have to use that really soon in a video. Also got a free Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. That was like a little freebie for purchasing some Maybelline. Another Revlon item. This is the Color Stay Liquid Liner. I think this is a newer formula and this is in Blackest Black. So just another drugstore product to try out soon. I got 2 pencils from BH Cosmetics. I've never tried their pencils. I have brushes and I have palettes that I love. I think I have some of those liquid eye pigments, but I've never tried any pencils. So these are the Power Pencil Waterproof Eyeliners. I got beige and shimmer silver. This kind of annoys me. I freaking love BH Cosmetics, but they have it in a box and then they have it wrapped in plastic. Like, it's wasteful. Just do one or the other. Like, the box is fine. I can recycle that. The plastic is, number one, really annoying, but also most people aren't going to recycle, you know, a tiny bit of plastic from an eyeliner. So just my thoughts on that. So this is shimmer silver. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. I swear, like, BH never disappoints me. Like, their products are such good quality. Yes. So I was hoping beige would be a nice one to put into the waterline and kind of just like brighten the area up without it being like stark white. I actually want to try this really quick. Oh wow, that really just like glided on that eye so easily. Sold. If you're looking for a pencil like this, I never have things like glide on the waterline like that. And next I got some of the Essence lip gloss. This is the Plumping Nudes. These just sounded really, really good. There are 6 colors in total, and I'm always looking for something affordable to recommend to you guys, and I love lip plumpers. So Grande Cosmetics are my personal favorite lip plumpers. I also really like the Tarte Sting Zing. That one's a little intense, but I really like it. But just like an everyday plumping gloss, I love the Grande ones. These are from Essence, of course, and I want to pop one on. I am going to try these out in a video, so I need to do like another affordable makeup. I'll swatch them for you then. This one is number 4. That's big. So I just put a little bit over. I also have Velvet Teddy on from MAC, is what I was wearing before. Put a little bit in the center. It's really pretty. I like that this isn't like super minty. I feel like that's the downside of a lot of lip plumpers. I personally don't like peppermint and super minty things on my lips all day. So this actually feels really nice. I don't really smell anything at all, which is good. I prefer that over a scent that I don't like. Okay, so that's what I got from Ulta, just a few little bits and bobs. So next I have a package from Covergirl. This is the last thing I'm going to unbox. This is the True Blend Undercover. It says unlock your True Blend Undercover Concealer. Now I have already, and it's actually right here, that tells you everything. I love this concealer. Now I have the shade L100 Fair. This is actually a really good shade for me. This box is a little bit dark as far as the foundation and the concealers, but I'm really excited about the rest. And I received this a couple weeks ago. I'm way behind. It is a super cute little box, and you have all these goodies. Oh my goodness. So they really spoiled me, and I'm so grateful to be on their PR list at all. Like, I don't get everything, but anything at all from them I'm very grateful for, so I really appreciate it. So they sent me the True Blend Minerals Loose Mineral Powder. I got translucent and banana. So I think translucent is definitely going to be my jam. The banana is not something that I usually go for. And then I have the True Blend Super Stunner Hyper Glow Highlights. Now you may have seen I did swatch these in an Instagram story, so if you saw that, but these are gorgeous. This one is a little bit more up my alley, I think. I haven't tried these on the face, but this is what one little swatch looks like. So a little bit more of like soft gold tones. This one is Pearl Crush. I also got Gilded Glory and then Rose Quartz. So really stunning shades. I love that there's 3 very different shades, so I am only gonna really be able to wear Pearl Crush as a highlight. The other 2 are too deep, but it's really nice that out of the 3, like pretty much anybody can find something that they love. Now someone who is ultra fair, now I'm pretty fair, but if someone's like super pale, there wouldn't really be a highlight here for them, so maybe that's the only little drag, but there's a pretty good like assortment of deeper tones, so I really like that. They did send me foundation and 3 concealers. Now all of these are a little bit dark for me personally. I was gonna try to keep 1 concealer for myself. I think L600 Light Nude, maybe for when I'm self-tanned, but they sent me also L700 and M150. So these are the shades right here. L70 in the foundation, which something tells me I've actually used this before, but I think it was when I was like ultra self-tanned, and I don't do that often, so I don't know if I'm gonna hold on to this for myself or not. They sent me 2 new primers, True Blend Base Business. I got the moisturizing and mattifying, so if anything, when I try these, I'll probably layer the 2, put the moisturizing everywhere, and then mattify just around my nose and T-zone, because I don't use a lot of mattifying primers a lot of the time. Usually I'll do like moisturizing and then pore filling, but I'm kind of interested to see how this one is because it has kaolin clay, so I think it's going to be one of those nice formulas that's mattifying without drying, fingers crossed, but they usually do a good job of that. I got from CoverGirl the Easy Breezy Brow, got clear brow gel, very excited about this one, and then they sent me 3 shades of the volumizing brow gel, so I got light, medium, and deep. So light is probably going to be for me, maybe even medium. So thank you so much to CoverGirl for including me on that little PR box. I was so excited for that. So that's everything in this little haul. Let me know what you think. I know this was a weird mixture, maybe. It was kind of all over the place, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Thank you so much for watching. If you do have things that you've seen in this video that you absolutely want to see me test out in a video, make sure to drop that in the comments below. As always, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. I really appreciate when you do. It really just shows that you guys enjoy my videos, and the more likes it gets, the more people see it, so I truly appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to do so and turn on notifications, and thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.